I began manufacturing as a telemarketer for another rubber company in New Jersey. The company I was working for saw the availability of mechanical rubber as an acquisition, and they took most of the key assets out of mechanical rubber and put it into their business. But it presented a new opportunity for a separate business, a much smaller business, where they afforded me the opportunity to acquire the assets of the business. And that's how I was able to purchase my first company. Prior to the recession, I was constantly battling myself and saying, are we doing enough? Is there enough to be done? Can we do more? What should I be doing? And when the recession happened, it felt like I had no more opportunities. Coming out of the recession, we stopped looking at our current situation and looked at where do we want to be? How long will it take to get there? What do we need to invest to get into that market? And what do we need to do to attract those companies to us and develop partnerships? Years ago, I had read a book called Co-opetition. The whole premise behind that is that you're working with your competitor and not against your competitor to achieve that same goal within a market. For example, there's a target company that I've been trying to work with for many years, except I didn't have the material classification to work with this company. However, one of my competitors did have this exact material, but didn't have the certification. So I've taken their material and gotten the material certified to go into the company and say, yes, we have the material, we have the capacity, we have the certification. That has opened entirely new doors we did not expect open, and it's working rapidly because the particular market that we're trying to get into is expanding as we speak. One of the biggest lessons I've learned since I've taken over mechanical rubber is a very simple one: don't ever quit. And what I found out is, if you don't take the opportunity, there is no opportunity. You have to move, keep moving forward. It's just as simple as running water in daylight. There is a tomorrow, the water's going to keep flowing, keep going. I'm Cedric Glasper. I'm the president and CEO of Mechanical Rubber Products.